A very good morning, class 2. This is your English literature class, and we are doing chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. So, in the previous class, we had already done the explanation of this chapter. Now, today we are going to do the difficult words and word meanings. So, let's start. Come to the difficult words first. Okay. Number 1, worked. WORKED, worked. Number 2 is team. TEAM, team. Number 3 is weekend. WEEKEND, weekend. Number 4, nodded. NODDED, nodded. Fourth word is nodded. Number 5, rubbish. RUBBISH, rubbish. Fifth word is rubbish. So, number 1, worked. Number 2, team. Number 3, weekend. Number 4, nodded. And number 5 is rubbish. Now, the sixth word is trimmed. TRIMMED, trimmed. Sixth word is trimmed. Number 7, scrubbed. SCRUBBED, scrubbed. Seventh word is scrubbed. Now come to number 8, snacks. SNACKS, snacks. SNACKS, snacks. Ninth word is paint. PAINT, paint. And the last word, number 10, litter. LITTER, litter. 10th word is litter. So, sixth word, trimmed. Number 7, scrubbed. Number 8, snacks. Number 9, paint. And number 10 is litter. Now, come to the word meanings. Here are the word meanings of chapter 4. Number 1 is park keeper. Park keeper. And the meaning? Someone who takes care of the park. SOMEONE, someone who. WHO, who. Takes, TAKES, takes care. CARE, care. Of, of. THE, the park. PARK, park. First word is park keeper, meaning someone who takes care of the park. Now number 2, team. Second word is team, meaning a group of people who always work together. टीम हम किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसे लोग, ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो हमेशा एक साथ मिलकर वर्क करते हैं. ओके, सो अ ग्रुप, GROUP, ग्रुप of, of people, PEOPLE, people who. WHO, who, always. ALWAYS, always. Work, WORK, work. Together, TOGETHER. Second word is team, meaning a group of people who always work together. Now number 3, weekend, meaning Saturday and Sunday. वीकेंड हम किसको बोलते हैं? सैटरडे एंड संडे को. और जो मंडे टू फ्राइडे के डेज होते हैं, दैट आर कॉल्ड वीक डेज. नाउ थर्ड वर्ड इज वीकेंड, मीनिंग Saturday and Sunday. SATURDAY, Saturday. AND, and Sunday. SUNDAY, Sunday. Now come to number 4, flower beds. Fourth word is flower beds, meaning long, neat rows of plants with flowers. When we all go to the park, we saw that on the sides there are the long rows in which plants are there. Okay, so that are called flower beds. Long, L-O-N-G, long, comma, neat, N-E-A-T, neat, rows, R-O-W-S, rows, of, O-F, of, plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants, with, W-I-T-H, with, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Fourth word is flower beds, meaning long, neat rows of plants with flowers. Now come to number 5, trimmed. What is the meaning of trimmed? Cut the top part. जब हम किसी चीज़ के top part को cut कर देते हैं, that is called trim. Okay, so fifth word is trimmed, meaning cut the top part. C-U-T, cut. T-H-E, the. T-O-P, top. P-A-R-T, part. Okay, so first word is park keeper, someone who takes care of the park. Number 2, team, a group of people who always work together. Number 3, weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Number 4, flower beds, long neat rows of plants with flowers. Number 5, trimmed, meaning cut the top part. Now come to the sixth word, scrubbed. What is the meaning of scrubbed? Rubbed something hard to clean it. जब हम किसी चीज़ को बहुत हार्डली रब करते हैं उसको क्लीन करने के लिए, that is called scrubbed. R-U-B-B-E-D, rubbed, something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something, hard, H-A-R-D, hard, to, T-O-2, clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean, it, I-T, it. Sixth word is scrubbed, rubbed something hard to clean it. Now the seventh word is nodded, meaning move the head up and down. M-O-V-E-D, moved, the, T-H-E, the, H-E-A-D, head, U-P, up, A-N-D, N, D-O-W-N, down. Seventh word is nodded, meaning move the head up and down. जब हम अपने सर को ऊपर नीचे हिलाते हैं, that is called nodded. Okay. Number 8, litter, pieces of waste lying on the ground. जो कचरा ground पर पड़ा होता है, that is called litter. So P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces of, O-F, of, waste, W-A-S-T-E, waste, lying, L-Y-I-N-G, lying, on, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. So let me repeat. Sixth word is scrubbed, meaning rubbed something hard to clean it. Seventh word is nodded, moved the head up and down. Number 8, litter, meaning pieces of waste lying on the ground. Okay class, so these are the difficult words and word meanings of chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. You all have to do this work in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you class.